Today, our idiom is in one ear and out the other. This means when someone hears something but doesn't remember it or pay attention to it.
For our science project tomorrow, I'll bring the poster paper, you bring the markers, and you bring the pictures.
Okay, got it. Markers.
Got it. Pictures.
And you don't forget to bring the glue.
Yeah, okay.
So you're bringing the glue, right?
What glue?
The glue for our project tomorrow.
This shows in one ear and out the other because the student heard the instructions but didn't remember them.
My bad, the instruction went in one ear and out the other.
You could use this idiom at home, at school, or with friends. This idiom reminds us to listen carefully and remember important things.
Thank you.
Thank you.